Hey everybody, Tom Morin here. So hey, I'm here at the shop on the weekend because we've got a finishing sample we've got to work out because we had a contract where supplier let us down and we were stuck with potentially some really big costs if we can't figure this out ourselves. So I'm down here doing that, and at the same time I thought I would make a commitment to see if I can make 10 improvements here in our finishing booth. So here's the current state of our spray booth. They've got a place for a bunch of stuff. Tools are stored away. There's been some labeling done. And so what I'm going to see is, as I work, what struggles I come up with and how I can make small, simple changes to make that easier. So the first thing I did was go to pour out my paint and realized the filters are not there. There are filters here up on the shelf. Looks like maybe a Kanban system is needed here. A weekly inventory list for the spray booth to check all of the supplies that are needed here, but it looks like filters aren't on that list. So there's nowhere to keep pens here, because the first thing you need to take notes and to make improvements is a pen, but there's nowhere here for a pen. So I'm gonna make a place for a pen. So I got tired of videoing myself, but here's some pictures of the changes I made between coats while I was waiting for stuff to dry.